What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we have a product from Fenrir. We've got a set of motorcycle mirrors that we're going to unbox here and check these out as we get them installed on this Honda Grom. All right, so here we go. Here is the product. Bunch of information here in the manual with various installation methods and videos available at your convenience to show you how to get everything installed. All right, here is the first mirror. Looks pretty good. Build feels really good. Clarity of image looks really good. Look at that. That looks pretty crisp. Nice shape here. Looking good. All right, so let's go ahead and see what one of these look like. Fully assembled here. All right, so here's our toolkit inside. We've got some bolts, an Allen key, washer. So based off of these instructions here, installation looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward here. All right, so first thing we're doing is going to grab the appropriate spacer here. Going to go ahead and we're going to slide this over the body. So we'll be able to tighten this down here to this position. Tighten that down. Okay, so that is fully tightened. The next thing here we have is the actual mirror piece. So we've got a bolt here for that. And we've got a washer. Put that here. And we can tighten that down in this location right here. Then you adjust it as you need. You can also move it from left to right. So then here we have this where we're going to loosen this up. And this is what you slide. The spot here is what you slide into the handlebar to get everything secured. And as you tighten, this is what's going to spread open to hold it in place. So yeah, this is a pretty nice product. They actually have a lot of other designs available. Definitely want to thank Fenrir for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in picking up a set of mirrors like this, use the code right here on the screen and you'll be able to get 5% off your purchase. All right, so this is how easy the installation is. You take your fully assembled mirror, you slide it in, get it adjusted how you want, and you tighten it. And just like that, you're done. It's that simple. It's that simple. Very easy installation. It looks good. Boy, this adds a really nice flavor to the bike. Man, this is looking really good. This looks great. All right, so you can see this is the previous mirror that I had here, and this is the new mirror here. That looks pretty good. That looks good. Very nice quality, very nice build. Very pleased with the product quality, ease of installation, and it looks good. It makes the bike look really good. The black matches very nicely. As you can see here, we've got a plastic build versus a metal build. Very high quality product right here. Again, go to their website. I will leave a link in the description to the product. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.